Have you ever wished there was a simple, hassle-free way to invest your money? A platform that takes the guesswork out of the stock market and lets you grow your wealth effortlessly? That's where Stash comes in. It's a revolutionary investing app designed to make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of your experience level or financial knowledge. In this video, we're going to dive deep into Stash, exploring how it works, its key features, and most importantly, how you can use it to make money. How Stash works. Stash takes a unique approach to investing. Instead of requiring you to pick individual stocks or funds, it offers a variety of baskets or portfolios that are carefully curated by financial experts. These baskets are designed to suit different investment goals and risk tolerances. Whether you're saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or simply building an emergency fund, Stash has a basket for you. Once you've chosen a basket, Stash automatically invests your money across a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds. This helps to reduce risk and increase your chances of long-term returns. Key features of Stash. Stash offers a range of features that make investing easy and convenient. Fractional shares. One of Stash's most popular features is the ability to buy fractional shares of stocks. This means you can invest in companies like Apple or Amazon without having to spend thousands of dollars on a full share. Automated investing. Stash offers automatic investing features that allow you to set up recurring contributions to your investment account. This makes it easy to save consistently over time. Tax-advantaged accounts. Stash supports a variety of tax-advantaged accounts, including individual retirement accounts, IRAs, and Roth IRAs. These accounts can help you grow your wealth while minimizing your tax burden. Education and resources. Stash provides a wealth of educational resources to help you learn more about investing. This includes articles, videos, and a glossary of financial terms. How to make money with Stash. Making money with Stash is relatively straightforward. The key is to start early, invest consistently, and let your money grow over time. Here are some tips for maximizing your returns with Stash. Choose the right basket. Select a basket that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. If you're new to investing, it may be a good idea to start with a more conservative basket. Invest regularly. Set up automatic contributions to your Stash account to ensure you're investing consistently. Even small amounts can add up over time. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't get discouraged by short-term market fluctuations. Focus on your long-term goals and stay invested. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. Consider using tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs to grow your wealth tax-free. Stay informed. Keep up to date on market news and economic trends. This can help you make informed investment decisions. Stash is a powerful tool that can help you achieve your financial goals. By understanding how it works, its key features, and how to use it effectively, you can start building wealth today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.